Purpose, tasks, content, methods, and means of ethnododiction. 1. The essence, purpose, objectives, and content of ethnododiction. 2. Didactic potential of public education. 3. Methods of ethnic didactics. Ethnodidactics, from the Greek ethnos, the people, didaktikos, teach, didasko, the student, a branch of ethnopedagogical science. The concept of didactic science was first introduced to science by German teacher Wolfgang Rathke, 1571–1635. In the same sense, in the 17th century, the Czech teacher J.A. Komensky used the same concept in his work Great Didactics, 1657. He made scientific conclusions in the most important issues of didactics, the content of education, didactic principles and clarity, consistency and conformity with nature, the organization of the system for conducting classes. Ethnodidactics uses the general categories of ethnopedagogy, education, action, education. In addition, ethnododiction has its own categories: education, training, goals, objectives, content, forms, methods, means, and learning outcomes. As an educational complex, the object of ethnododiction is the results of scientific research and scientific empirical knowledge in the field of ethnodidactics, ethnic communication, ethnopedagogy, the result of summarizing the experience of ethnic activity, pedagogical laws of ethnos and society. Its subject is the ethnopedagogical image of the ethnos, the ethnic, cognitive, reproducing, educational activities of the subjects. The goal of ethnododiction as an educational complex is the formation of an ethnopedagogical image of the world for all people. Practices of ethnopedagogy are researchers, ethnopedagogues of theoretical science, teachers of different compositions of the educational system, students and trainees. Study of the results and process of national education and sources of ethnododiction. 1. Creates the need for knowledge, the search for a new, an understanding of the unidentified. 2. Owns the knowledge necessary for practical activities. 3. Develops psychological processes necessary for the life and activity of the child, his ability to work, attention, imagination, memory, mind, thinking, imagination and others. 4. Contributes to the formation of the child's speech, computational and other competencies. 5. Forms intellectual abilities, the ability to analyze, generalize, distribute the main problem. The content of ethnodidactics currently includes the following topics: public education, simple and relatively voluminous. The use of popular methods and means of education. Attitude to the role of public education, teacher, book, and student. The use of the rules of national education on an empirical basis. K.Zh Kozakamatova, in her textbook, divides national knowledge into 6 sectors. 1. Folk philosophy. 2. Spheres of private national knowledge. 3. Folk mathematics. 4. Content areas of national knowledge. 5. Practical areas of national knowledge. 6. Fundamental areas of national knowledge. The priority methods in ethnodidactics include verbal methods, story, explanation, discussions, etc. Exercises, training methods, and the implementation of work tasks related to craftsmanship, control methods, visual methods.